One of the major benefits of a candlestick chart is it allows you to see what the nature of the investor sentiment is. As we can see for the past month, as well as the past 3 months over here, it's been absolutely sideways. But we can also see what type of patterns we're setting up. You can see the wedge formation in the Dow. Now all of a sudden, not all of a sudden, but over the last few days, after kind of an indecisive trading back up to the top of the channel, big spinning top, and then selling off with stochastics coming down, that there's been a major change of investor sentiment. We've breached this kind of the lower level of this trend channel, and now heading down probably to the 200-day moving average. Now, this is also a function of a lot of investors say, or try to project, what is the election going to do to our market? We don't have to know that. We can see what everybody is thinking the election's going to do, or whether it's the election or anything else, we know which way the market is moving. And that becomes even more clear when we're analyzing the NASDAQ. We can see there was a little resistance level up here. We could also see that we had an island reversal and gap down, a left-right combo, a close below the T-line. We have one very simple rule. If you see a candlestick sell signal and a close below the T-line, you're in a downtrend until you see a candlestick buy signal and a close back up above the T-line. And the nature of this market is we've had a lot of stocks that closed below the T-line, gapped up above the T-line. And notice even with strong signals, there's still indecisive trading. How does this help us? At least with the candlestick analysis, we can say this is not a very strong chart. We better find something where we can get much more probabilities that it's moving in our direction. And that was much better identified in the biotech area. Notice up here in the overbought condition, the biotech Labus ETF started showing sell signals, shooting stars, dojis, bearish engulfing signal, closed below the T-line. And notice what's happened after that. They have not been able to close this back up above the T-line since that time, which basically tells us that a lot of our biotech charts not only have now a bearish move, but a consistent bearish move. We don't have to worry about the oscillation. And this becomes a much more clear factor when you see a chart like in SRPT, did a doji gap down through the T-line. You can stay comfortably short no matter what the market was doing indecisively. We could see the biotechs were selling off with great enthusiasm. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Fortunately, the candlestick analysis just improves your probabilities of being in the right trades at the right time and allows you to trade much more comfortably, not having to worry about wicked oscillations, that it allows you to find the trending stocks either bullish or bearish. We'll see you in the chat rooms.